All right, so this question can fumble some people up by it just, you know, is a little confusing. So it's really not difficult. It's just the inverse of normally you're trying to find your wind correction angle and your ground speed. It's just all the inverse. Here they give you all that information. Now they want to find your wind direction and speed. So um, first step you want to do is um, find the your ground track 130 degrees and put it underneath your true index. That is step one. Step two, make sure your bullet, not the blue one, that's on this, just on the special to this app, is right on 140. All right, put it right on 140. All right, now what I want you to do next is draw a line from 5 degrees all the way down. You see the red line? It's um, positive, so you'll just go off to the right hand side of it and you drive a 5-degree line all the way down. All right, because that is the difference between the true heading and the ground track. That's where I'm getting that 5 degrees from. Next, what you'll do is take your true airspeed in knots and draw a horizontal line. You just kind of follow the curve, interpolate between there, but follow the line across. All right, make an intersection between 135 and that 5-degree mark. Now that that's done, what you're going to do is, I don't have the intersection here, but I'll just zoom in. All right, so I'm gonna put that edge of that line right on the 135 arc and right on that 5-degree line. That looked pretty close. Now I'll zoom out here. Now all I'm going to do is rotate it until that line is right under your true index line, lined up. All right. So now you'll read your wind direction underneath the true index. Wind direction is 246. And your wind speed, whoops, daisy, I just moved it some. I know what it is, so I know what the answer is, so I'm just going to move it back. Try to. There we go. All right, so each one of these squares is 2. That's going to be 10, 150, so 152. And then right there, so that's the difference is actually 13. So 140 to 150 is 10. And then you got another increment, which is 2. Right in the middle, it looks like is 3. So 13 knots. All right. All right. So we can see that with that information given, um, the final wind speed was 246 degrees at 13 knots.